How to delete your Resident Evil ID. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Resident Evil ID. Now as you know, deleting Resident Evil ID means deleting your Capcom ID. So what you want to do first is you want to head into your browser, and on the browser on any of your device you want to search in for capcom.com. Now you can see here I'm on capcom.com here, and I'm on the official Capcom website here, and as you can see on the screen I'm logged into my account as well. Now as you log into your account, you'll get a face like this, and at the top right corner you can see my username, and beside it you can see three horizontal line icon. You'll find similarly on your screen, you want to simply tap on the three horizontal line icon, and once you tap on it you want to tap on the account option. Once you tap on account option here, you'll head into the account page option, and if you scroll all the way down below you'll find the option account deletion. Now here you can see delete your Capcom ID option, and you can see the begin the account deletion process. Simply tap on begin the account deletion process and it will take you to another page. Here you want to scroll down further below and you want to tap on this I understand and accept these terms, and you want to tap on begin the Capcom ID account deletion process. You want to simply tap on it, and once you tap on it it'll ask you for password. You want to confirm your password, and once you tap on your password and you want to tap on confirm deletion, and your account will be deleted. So this way you can delete your Resident Evil ID or the Capcom ID. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.